It's nice to go to auction and you know I've got X amount in my bank, I've got X amount with NextGear. You could buy whatever you needed to. The auctioneers at the auction, they know when I come in the lane, I come to buy. We've upgraded our computer system. We're set up through DMV now. We can do hard plates. We've been able to purchase property, do some renovations, buy more equipment, and still at the same time keep our lot full. I mean, all that stuff is due to NextGear. It's really helped. You always hear about the fees and the requirements, and you have to do this or you have to do that. And it ended up, none of that was true. You know, we haven't paid a single curtailment because our turnarounds are good. Since I've been using NextGear, the only regret we have, we didn't do this years ago. We're getting more vehicles, in return more customers, which is bringing in more money. And that's what this is all about.